This is your E65 grinder. As you can see, it's a grind by weight grinder, which is why it says 18 grams on the screen. If you turn this dial this way, you should also have 18 grams on the screen. You've got 18 grams here. And this is a time setting, just in case the scales aren't working, but you shouldn't need to use that one. We always want it on 18 grams. You've got two buttons on the side of the grinder here. This one is a manual grind button, so it gives you coffee when you press it. This button here is to edit your weight. You shouldn't need to use that. We always want it on 18 grams, but that is how you change it if you need to. So when you place your portafilter in, you're going to hook it under there. You don't need to hit it at the back. There's no button. It's just going to detect the portafilter. So you can slide it in and then let go, let it weigh the coffee. Once the screen is green, then you can touch it again to take it out. So I'm now going to dial in my grinder. You want to do this first thing every morning. So I'm going to make an espresso shot and see what's going on. I've got my 18 grams of coffee. So my first espresso shot extracted in 8 seconds, which is too quick because we want it between 25 and 29 seconds. So to make the coffee finer, we're going to turn this dial to the left. And it slides round like this. And we're making that number smaller, so the pieces of coffee are smaller. Whenever you move this dial, you want to throw one dose of coffee away. We do this because this is the old grind size. Now I can make another espresso. Now you can see the coffee is coming out too slowly because it is too fine. Because that grind size was too fine, we're going to make it coarser. So we're going to move the dial to the right. And again, remember to throw one dose away. So that shot came out in 27 seconds, which is perfect. We want anywhere between 25 seconds and 29 seconds. And that's when you're good to go. So just remember, if you want to make the coffee coarser, you make the number bigger. And if you want to make the coffee finer, you make the number smaller.